Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. Thank you for stopping by. So today's look will be a pink and black cut crease makeup look, and I'm gonna be very in-depth. And I'm using the Stacey Marie Carnival palette. First I went with the shade Wifey. I pat it on and then I slightly blend it. Second, I'm going with the shade Guilty to deepen the pick a little bit. For this look, I start from dark into the lightest one. When I do it that way, it makes my color look more pigmented. Either way, if you start from light to dark, it's the same effect. And then to lighten up the pink color a little bit more, I go back with Funky. With this makeup look or any cut crease look, it's adding color and blend it out, adding, because sometimes you lost the colors and you have to go back and add more. For the black shade, I went with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette and I used the black shadow. I cannot remember the name on top of my head, but this palette only have one black shadow, and I use a smaller and more precise brush. While I add the black shadow, I kind of lost some of the pink shade. I went back and I add some more of it because I want all the shade to have that gradient effect from pink light and into the darkest shade. For the crease, I like to put my concealer and look up to mark where I'm gonna cut my crease, and then I go back and then just finish cutting the crease. For that way, it's super easy if you're a beginner doing cut crease. If you just mark it and then look up, it show you where you need to cut your crease. And then I just pat on the concealer, and I'm gonna use a pigment, and I want the pigment to have something to stick to, so I go back with the wifey shade and I add on top of my lid, because I don't want, like, when you add it like without having a shimmer or any type of color, it makes it look like I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of weird in my opinion. For the glitter, for the pigment, I use the glitter glue from NYX, and the pigment I'm using is from Peach Cosmetic. It's called Show Me Love. It's their new pigment line. I love the pigment. It's beautiful. But I did not show you guys, but I did add the color Pink Me and then add the pigment on top of it, so I can have that real pink gradient effect. And I go back with the black shade and I add it in the inner corner to blend it out to not make it look empty. And I'm just creating a liner using my NYX liner. For my liner, I like to use a black shadow to set it, to make it, to give it that super matte look, because that's what I like and I think it looks way better. And I like to blend out the end of my liner when I do a half liner. For lashes, I'm using the Mit Michelle lashes. These lashes are beautiful and I love Mit Michelle, and it's artistry. It's from Tati Lashes and I love it. It looks vavavoom like I wanted to. To prime my lid, I'm using the All Star Primer from ColourPop Cosmetic. I recently purchased it. It's pretty good. It does make your skin look blurry. This foundation is my Black Opal foundation, one of my first online purchase. It is oldie but goodie. This foundation gives you no pore. It's beautiful. So I'm starting my makeup kit, so I'm gonna add this foundation into my makeup kit when I start doing people makeup. This foundation is poreless. It's beautiful. Even though it did look a little dark on me, but when I highlight my under eyes, everything comes together. For the concealer, I used the ColourPop Deep Dark 48 concealer to highlight my under eyes, and you guys know that the ColourPop concealer is dry very fast, so you have to move at a speed. You have to move at speed or at a matter time, whatever. This look is so beautiful. I'm proud of myself. But yeah, guys, cut crease is very easy. I'm just not good at full-blown cut crease, but I'm getting better. To contour, I'm using my Black Radiance contour palette in dark, and I use the darker shade to contour, and I contour in a form of three: forehead, jawline, and my bottom chin to hide my double chin. You know how it is in these streets. And I use a smaller brush to contour my nose because it makes it more precise and I get every area on my nose area. To set, I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup Loose Setting Powder. This powder, I used to use it when I first started doing makeup. I stopped, I don't know why, but this powder is really good. I rebuy it because I didn't want to pay $38 for the Laura Mercier dark one. Why this one is only $20 and it works super fine on my skin tone. And I'm just smoking out my lash line. I use all the shade. What goes up must go down. That's what I'm doing. And I end up adding a white liner. I use the NYX Jumbo Pencil, the deep part one, and I use a small brush to add it in my waterline because I thought it will make the look more vibrant and bring it out a little bit. For my finishing powder, I use this Rubik's Matte Foundation Powder. I like to use it to set my whole face. It makes my makeup last throughout the day. And I just pat, pat, pat. And I slightly swim. Before I hide my highlight, I like to spray my face because it makes my highlighter pop more. And I use the Morphe Continue Mist. This make your skin look so good. For highlighter, I went with Becca Cosmetic Opal highlighter. I haven't used this highlighter in a while, and I thought that it would go so good with this look. Since this look is all about the pink shade. And for lips, I line my lips using Espresso NYX lip liner, and I use Boy Bait from MAC. It's a lip gloss, and I put it all over my lips. Since the look is already vibrant, I didn't want to do too much. That's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoy. Love, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Amanda Coco, Snapchat, Amanda Coco 95. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.